Hey everyone, welcome to Tri-City Men's Health. I want to have a real talk with you about something that could seriously change your life. Testosterone Replacement Therapy, also known as TRT. If you've been feeling off lately, stick around because this might be exactly what you need. My name is Phil Schafer. I am a nurse practitioner and owner of Tri-City Men's Health. So I want to get real with you. Testosterone is what makes us feel strong, energetic, and just overall like ourselves. But sometimes our bodies don't produce enough of it, and that can really mess with how we feel. That's where TRT comes in. One of the biggest changes I've seen with TRT is the boost in energy. Imagine waking up every morning ready to tackle the day. No more dragging yourselves out of bed or hitting the afternoon slump. TRT can help you feel like you've got your old energy back. At least it has for me. I was 36 years old, exhausted, tired. My wife said, "What the hell's wrong with you?" And I'm like, "Nothing wrong with me." Well, there was a lot wrong with me. She basically said that I was sleeping more than she was, and she was in her third trimester with a third pregnancy. So there was an issue with me. So I got on testosterone, and it totally was a game changer. In the gym, I was able to recover more, and in so many other ways. There's so many things that testosterone can help you with. With TRT, a lot of guys report feeling happier, less irritable, and more focused. If you've been feeling down or struggling to concentrate, TRT could really help clear that fog. Let's not forget about the bedroom. Testosterone is super important for a healthy sex drive and sex life. Many men feel that TRT reignites their interest in sex and improves performance. It's not just a win for you, but it's a win for your partner, right? So lastly, there's bone health. Strong bones are crucial, especially as we get older. TRT helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and keeping you active and on your feet. I love testosterone, and I know you will too. In a nutshell, TRT can give you more energy, build muscle, boost your mood, enhance your libido, and strengthen your bones. It's all about improving your quality of life. Because life is too short to not have great sex, to not feel good, to not be vigorous. Now, while TRT is generally low risk, it's not for everyone. That's why it's so important to talk to a healthcare provider to see if it's right for you. At Tri-City Men's Health, we're here to help you through every step of the process, for men, by men that have been impacted by TRT. So if you're ready to explore the benefits of TRT, give us a call and schedule a free consultation. You can visit our website at www.tricitymenshealth.com or give us a call, 928-515-3097. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy and give us a call. Have a great day.